Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Poshmark. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in poshmark.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Poshmark website. Now, right from the homepage, you will be able to sign up using your Google, your Apple or your Facebook account, or you can click on sign up with email to get started with your account. You will then be asked to enter your first and your last name and your email address. Then type in your username that you want to use with your account. While you type it in, you will be given a warning that this username cannot be changed. So make sure you choose wisely. Then go ahead and type in your desired password and select your gender. Now choose your country and then you will be asked to enter your phone number. Go ahead and type in your phone number and click on the continue button and you will receive a verification code within your phone, which you will need to type in to continue signing up to your account. And once your account is verified, you will be able to continue signing in using your phone number or your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Poshmark. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.